This man went on live TV begging the world to help find his missing wife and daughters. But detectives were watching something else: his body language. On August 13th, 2018, Shanann Watts and her two little girls, Bella and Celeste, disappeared. Chris Watts, the husband and father, stood in front of news cameras crying, pleading for them to come home. But something felt wrong. While he begged the public for help, he never mentioned their names. He never asked who took them, and investigators noticed he couldn't stop touching his face, swallowing hard and looking away. When police searched the house, Chris stayed unusually calm, until they found a bedsheet matching one at the crime scene. His story began falling apart. Finally, during a failed polygraph test, Chris broke down and confessed. He had murdered his pregnant wife and then his two daughters.